Okay guys, hi and welcome back. In this video I will add a table for our company project. Okay, so here I have I can get this table here. Okay, copy and paste it for this part, but let's make a div or class of container first. Okay, class container. Okay, here. Now I got this. Great. After that I can add in another color for this one. I can make it something like okay, let's see what we have here. So I can add one. I can make okay, I think secondary or primary will be okay. So here table primary. So here I got this. Great. After this part I can add a hover. Okay, so where is the hover? The hover one, if we don't find it here, we will search for it in another one. So okay, here table hover. I will copy this part and paste it for this one. Okay, refresh. Here I got this. Okay, and now let's see what we have here after this part. Okay, this is okay. I think we will make it dark. Okay, so here I got it. This is better. This is okay for this one, so I like it. Okay, then actually I don't need this or any of this. We have learned all of that before. Border primary, I can make it like that. So here border primary. So we are looking for everything that is not found in the Bootstrap 4.5. So here I got this, but this is not okay. You can leave it like that if you want. What if I make it into something like the dark? It would be dark. Okay, or active. Let's make it active. So it would be like that. Great, I will leave it like that. And now I have okay. I don't need this. We have tested it before in the Bootstrap 4.5, I think, but it is okay. We don't need it. If you want to make it, you can copy and paste. Nesting, I don't want the nesting, but we can test the nesting. So I can copy and paste it here. We are looking for everything we didn't do in the Bootstrap 4.5. So I want to make sure that you have everything you need. So here I got this. I think we have a problem, but I do not think so. No, we have no problem. This is the nesting, okay? And now we are done with this part and this part, so we don't need all of that. We are done with the table, so I will delete this table here. We have deleted this already, I think. We have deleted the table with it, I think. No? Okay. We will delete this. Okay, and now I have just the table. Great. I can control the width of the table if I want. So here, style with a width of, I can make it 400 pixels. Now it is smaller. If I want, it is about your want, but I can add another option. I can make div with a class of row and divide this into two columns. Div with a class of row. Okay, I will get this, cut and paste it here. Where? Okay, here. Great. And div with a class of column. Div with a class of column. I will get this here. Where? Here. Okay, and another column, div with a class of column. In here I can make a h2 contact us for more. Okay, so here I can add a map, I can add the URL or anything I want. A with href, Milto, my email, gmail.com. Okay, send us an email. Okay, great. We are done with all of that. We can add a footer. Okay, so here footer, I can make here footer with the class of, I can make it PG dark, and here I can make dev with the class of container, and dev with the class of row, and dev with the class of column. Here I can write anything so I can test it. So here I got this. Great. Here what if I make okay, style of color into white, color of white. Okay, what is it? Yes, okay, color white. Okay, so here I have the color white. Let's delete this and make h4. h4, okay, here I can make okay, I can just make the copyright. So here text center. Let's get the copyright from here. Copyright. Okay. Copy this one. Okay. Here I will copy this one and paste it here. Okay. Here I can add my email. So I can copy this part and paste it here. Okay, I can just change it into my email or my name. So here, Yusuf Zidan. Okay. Refresh. Here I have this one. Great. I can add a bedding. Right? So here bedding of 40 pixels. This is better. Okay. Now we are done with this part. We can just add a margin. So here I have I can add a margin, not here, but here. Methods, okay. Okay, here I can add here style margin bottom of 50 pixels. Okay, in here I have a margin bottom. Let's add a margin here for the achievement and the list. Okay, style margin bottom 50 pixels. Great, and here too, and here. We don't need here, we just need here. Okay, style margin bottom of 50 pixels. Great. Now we are done with all of that. Now we have tested the, you know, when I make it like this, we just have problem with images, but it is okay, you can edit it yourself. It is not very difficult. But if you cannot get it, I can make it to you. So here, let's go to the CSS and add media minimum width of 600 pixels. Okay, here I have let's give it a class. Okay, here, or an ID of image 1. Okay, I will copy this ID and paste it for the style.css. width of 300 pixels and height of 300 pixels. Same problem. So I can make this max width. So here only screen and yes, this is okay now. The only screen means anything below that 600 pixels. Okay. So here I have this image. I can give it a sync ID, image 1. So now this is the same. Great. Now I have no problem. When I make it like this, we have no problem. Great. Okay, let's test for every screen. So here I have this for this screen. When I make it like this, I had this when I scroll down. Okay. When it is like this, I have this one. Okay. And now this. Great. Now we are done with testing the responsive design. Now we are done with the company project. From the next video, we will move to the form. Okay. We will know how to add a form or contact form or anything or any form you want. So good luck and see you in the next section. Goodbye.